I went over last week to help my dad to do his brakes, just cleaning them and then painting them. Somehow I forgot to do video the whole thing, so I only videoed drips and drabs of it. So I kind of messed up there quite badly. And then I decided to take the rear towbar off the Bora because it doesn't really get used. I think it's been used once in like 15-20 years. So I decided to take that off, and again there was a lot of stuff that I forgot to video. So yeah, it's a bit of a mixed one this, but enjoy, stay tuned. Right, okay, so we've pretty much already done this job. We've just got to put everything back together. As you can see, we've got rid of the tow bar off the Bora. It was kind of doing me head in, didn't falling over it or kicking it and end up bruised shins and all them other things. So yeah, we've took it off. It was welded on, not bolted on, so we've took the rear crash bar off, cut it, got rid of the bar, sanded this down, painted it jet black so it looks better. If you're ever wondering how you do this, how you get the bumper off, you've got to start off by removing the lights, which is just, there's a little bolt here, here and here. You just undo the nuts and then you just pull off. Obviously you've got to undo this, which is just two pull tabs. You just squeeze them together and pull, that comes off, and then you just pull the light out. Same on that side. That'll expose these, which are T7 I think Torx. Just don't know if there's one or two. I only have one. There's one on each side. Then there'll be Torx 20, one here and then two down here. Same on both sides. And then there's another two Torx, one here and one here at either end. That'll release the bumper for you to take it off. And then yeah, the rest of it's easy. Just got to put all this back together now. Must say, for a 23-year-old car, is it? 24-year-old? The lack of rust on it is unbelievable. I think there's two little teeny tiny patches of rust and then the rest of the car is spotless. So anyway, I'm going to crack on. As I said, put it all back together again. I'm leaving the electrics there just in case I ever do decide to put another tow bar on it. Probably won't, but I'm just going to leave that there like that. So put the tow bar back on. Sorry, the bumper. You've got to line these grooves up, as well as obviously the arch on both sides. Once they're lined up on both sides, just push in along with this groove as well. Push in, and then it's a case of putting the bolts there, 3 down there, 1 on either end there, same on both sides. Done. And then obviously put the lights back on. Yeah, this is a rushed video because I've also got other jobs to be cracking on with. Got to take the dog to the vet to get his booster. So yeah, I shall see you in a minute. Right, so the lower part of the bumper, I don't know if you can see that, it's looking a bit tired. There's bits of overspray on it, so I'm gonna try and clean it up, wash it down, dry it off, and I'm gonna spray it in gloss black. Let's see how it goes. So in the traditional manner, it started to get windy, so I ended up just putting the plastic cover over the car, taping it into position, sanded it down and then painted it, and then once it was finished I then realised I was supposed to video it. But you can already see that looks a mile better. No. Again, forgot to do a video. I rarely do it buying a tripod. I've got a small one, which would have been ideal, but oh well. That's done now. I'm not going to bother spraying anything on the front bumper. I have temporarily sprayed that front grille with the spotlight on it just for now, but I'm not going to bother painting anything else on the bumper just because it's absolutely battered. Look at it, holes in it and everything. So I've been offered a GLI bumper for the Bora. Well, technically GLI is American, so it'll be Jetta. So I'm thinking about getting that and just fitting that on. It'll look nicer anyway. Yeah. I think of what else I can tell you. Bloody hell, my phone's absolutely full of grime. I have to go and clean that. Yeah, these headlights need taking out. I don't know if you can see in there. Just about. It's all full of dirt and flies and yeah. There you go. So I'm going to have to take them out and clean them up. Clean the lenses, put them back on. But then do I just leave them off until I fitted my GLI front bumper? Questions. On Tuesday, if I've got enough time, I might actually start sanding down the alloys and get them done. But again, I don't know, is that a job to do after the whole car's been resprayed? And before that, there's a few jobs I need to be doing on the engine. Trying to think. So there's one that definitely needs doing. I need to reorder the hose pipes that I bought for the vacuum pipes, because it turned out the size that I ordered, they've sent out the wrong ones, and then they're saying that they are the right ones, but they're clearly not, because I ordered 3mm and 5mm and they've arrived, and the big one's more like 4mm and the 3mm is more like 2mm, so I've got to do something about that. EGR valve could do with a new gasket, but I can get a brand new EGR valve for like 90 quid, so I'm thinking, do we just do that? Rocker cover gasket could do with being replaced. I found one of the pipes down near the bottom of the engine bay's been taped up, so I've now got to replace that as well. I'm not going to leave it taped up because I did feel it and you can tell there's something still leaking through it, so that's going to get replaced. So the question is, do I be wise and get on with all the stuff in the engine bay first? Or do we just do it in drips and drabs? Bit of engine, bit of bodywork, bit of engine, bit of interior, bit of engine, bit of bodywork, bit of interior, bit of bodywork. Because obviously you're in between getting on with the jobs on the engine, you know, I could be getting on with other stuff while I'm waiting for parts for the engine to be delivered, rather than, you know, just leave it sat there while I'm waiting for parts to be delivered through the post. I can crack on with something with the body or the wheels or the interior. So yeah, I mean, it's already looking a lot better than when it arrived. I mean, you know, you can see it already. It's got a shine on it. Oh, that's another job I need to get on with. Stripped this door down yesterday, and this lock's absolutely battered. It looks like someone's been at it with a screwdriver or something. So I've got to change the lock. The actuator's knackered as well, so I need to change the actuator. Now this is not technically a mod, I just done it myself because it was coming off anyway in bits. Oh, what do you think of that? That white ring around there isn't supposed to be there. It was all coming off in little patches, so I just used the screwdriver to put a tidy ring around it to make it look a bit nicer. I think it looks better myself. Yeah, I'll put this back on. Hang on, if I can focus, there you go. Yeah, this is back on, it's been painted. That there, yeah, I don't like it, it's all battered and scratched. So, if you bear with me just 1 second, I'll show you what I've done to my spare one. So yeah, it's now going from that to that. I think that looks a lot nicer. I'll do the same with all the doors. Yeah, I think it looks a lot nicer. Yeah, the top hinge for the driver's door was supposed to arrive yesterday, but it's still not arrived, so can't realign that door yet. Oh, isn't she looking nice? I think once I've got the bodywork done, all painted, get the alloys sorted, I might actually get them windows tinted. Maybe not as dark as the windows on the CC, but yeah. Anyway, I think I'm going to leave this one here, because I'm rambling a bit. Actually, I'll put this in first, see what it looks like. Yeah, looks okay, I suppose. Couldn't really see that very well because the sun's facing the other way, but it'll do for now until I've got the new bumper and then I'll fit new grill light things, whatever they're called. But yeah, I'm going to leave this one here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that bell icon so that you get notifications when I upload a new video. And yeah, spread the word. I know I say this every time, but spread the word. With your help, with your word, we'll grow the channel. We're due to be at the Tatton Hall VW Festival in the next few days, so you might see us there. We'll be wearing our new merchandise. If you like it, give us a shout, give us your address or your name or whatever, and we'll get it ordered and sent out to you. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling. See you in the next one. Bye.